Is your Targus docking station failing to charge your laptop via USB-C? The problem often lies in power delivery mismatches or cable issues. USB-C PD is a protocol where your dock, the source, negotiates voltage and current with your laptop, the sink, to deliver up to 100 watts of power. First, ensure your laptop's USB-C port supports PD and isn't just for data. Then verify your Targus dock's AC adapter provides sufficient power. Try reseating the cable and cleaning the ports. A key troubleshooting step is updating your dock's firmware using the Targus app and your laptop's OS, which often fixes PD negotiation bugs. If the problem persists, the cable is the most likely culprit. According to experts, 60% of USB-C charging failures are due to cable quality. Use a USB-IF certified cable rated for 100 watts to avoid resistance and voltage drops. If updating firmware and cleaning ports doesn't resolve the issue, focus on cable integrity and compatibility. Many charging problems stem from cheap or non-PD compliant cables. A Reddit thread detailed how a user's Lenovo laptop wouldn't charge until they switched to the Targus included cable. Always use USB-F certified cables. Next, check Device Manager, Windows, or System Report, Mac OS for errors related to the dock. Unplug the dock for 30 seconds to reset it. If you're still having trouble, it might be a compatibility issue. Some users have reported Targus docks failing initial charging on MacBooks due to firmware mismatches. Updates usually resolve this. For enterprise deployments, studies show that cable swaps fix most charging issues, saving downtime. If issues persist, consider contacting Targus support, as a small percentage of problems may require hardware servicing.